Listen and practice.
Home sweet home. Welcome to my home. It's a cozy place with different rooms. We have a living room where we play and talk. There's a big sofa and a TV. Next is the kitchen, where we make yummy food. It has a stove and a fridge. We have 2 bedrooms. Mine has a big bed, and it's super comfy. The other bedroom is for guests. It has a cozy bed, and they love it. Both rooms are quiet and peaceful. Our bathroom is clean and fresh. It has a bathtub where we take relaxing baths. Soft towels are always there. Outside, we have a garden with colorful flowers. It's a great spot to play and relax in the sun. Sometimes, we have a small picnic there. My home might not be very big, but it's full of love and happiness. It's where we laugh, eat, and enjoy being together.
Listen and repeat.
Home sweet home. Welcome to my home. It's a cozy place with different rooms. Welcome to my home. It's a cozy place with different rooms. We have a living room where we play and talk. We have a living room where we play and talk. There's a big sofa and a TV. There's a big sofa and a TV. Next is the kitchen, where we make yummy food. Next is the kitchen, where we make yummy food. It has a stove and a fridge. It has a stove and a fridge. We have 2 bedrooms. Mine has a big bed, and it's super comfy. We have 2 bedrooms. Mine has a big bed, and it's super comfy. The other bedroom is for guests. The other bedroom is for guests. It has a cozy bed, and they love it. It has a cozy bed, and they love it. Both rooms are quiet and peaceful. Both rooms are quiet and peaceful. Our bathroom is clean and fresh. Our bathroom is clean and fresh. It has a bathtub where we take relaxing baths. It has a bathtub where we take relaxing baths. Soft towels are always there. Soft towels are always there. Outside, we have a garden with colorful flowers. Outside, we have a garden with colorful flowers. It's a great spot to play and relax in the sun. It's a great spot to play and relax in the sun. Sometimes, we have a small picnic there. Sometimes, we have a small picnic there. My home might not be very big, but it's full of love and happiness. My home might not be very big, but it's full of love and happiness. It's where we laugh, eat, and enjoy being together. It's where we laugh, eat, and enjoy being together. Question 1. What room in the house is used for cooking? A. Bedroom. B. Kitchen. C. Bathroom. D. Living room.
Time's over.
Question 2. Which room is often furnished with a sofa and a television? A. Kitchen. B. Bathroom. C. Garden. D. Living room.
Time's over.
Question 3. Where do you usually find a bathtub in a house? A. Bedroom. B. Bathroom. C. Living room. D. Kitchen.
Time's over.
Question 4. Where can you usually find a stove and a fridge? A. Living room. B. Bedroom. C. Kitchen. D. Garden.
Time's over.
Question 5. What's a common feature in a garden? A. Bathtub. B. Sofa. C. Flowers. D. Television.
Time's over.
Do not forget to subscribe.